I really like to have my room clean. Good morning, guys. Thanks a lot for helping me clean my room. Now we're having coffee. Guys, my room is so clean now with the mess earlier this morning. I really like to have my room clean properly especially when I'm not really feeling well. We are currently at Iron Mall. It's basically, I think it's the biggest mall here at Kyoto City. I didn't really have any specific plans as to what I'm here to do, but I'm just planning to just spend the rest of the day here since I do not have so much to do and it's been boring after cleaning my room. So let's go in and have a look around. Hey guys, this is what I'm having today at the mall. I came all the way here just to eat this. I don't really know what this is. Basically guys, we are done. We got a plate. It's done and dusted. That's all we have for this week's video. Please make sure to like this video or subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you in the next one.